garlic on end grain walnut. Sometimes people ask us, what's it like to chop on end grain? So here you go. The knife makes a slightly different sound when you're on end grain, and it's a little bit easier on the knife blade, so they say. Okay, so garlic real quick. Just going up and down like this, it just goes right through. Of course, I've got a really good Japanese knife, and that's it. Oh, there's my chopped garlic. Thanks for watching the video, and support your sponsor. Have a great day. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it.